new beats.
Ooh, Lex. Only been a week or so, tryna find love in the city of gold. Chic as fuck, they, oh my god, killing me to death when I see those eyes. Running till I find that face that drives me in with the body that shape. Fine and curvy, but slightly dirty. Can find an hour, I'm on the journey. Glamorous with the fashion sense of a goddess. She a bad bitch with the finest, the hottest. Cool cat, she just pipe it down so exotic. Sex machine, I swear was robotic. I like it when she speak, but let's stop by the talking. Like Red Fool, I'ma get this party rocking. Classic kind of chick, yeah, you know what I mean. Looking like a scene from a movie screen. Beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got class. I think I found my diamond girl that ruled my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. See, you gotta keep my shades on, cause she's some good kush, hit me too strong. She just sipping champagne, it got me so gone. Shawty with the attitude, she got it going on. Like the cute ass with the velvet on, hair flowing back, no makeup on. Been looking for somebody like you too long, so I made you fall in love before the end of this song. Lingerie all the way, you know what I say. Give me that good in the city today. Sitting rooftop, blue sky, whiskey on the rocks. Time going by, ain't looking at the watch. You ain't like a dove in the flock. When I kiss your lips, my whole world stops. If you really wanna, I can take it from the top. If that's what I gotta do to get you on my beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got class. I think I found my diamond girl that ruled my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too. Under pressure, take you to another sector. You with her is the only answer. You so fine, you divine. You stop all space and time. When I look into those eyes, you know when I visualize. Beauty in the eyes she has, booty in the body attached. She's a diamond girl, not glass. Ratchet girl, but she got class. I think I found my diamond girl that ruled my whole goddamn world. I can't believe it's really you. Hoping that you like me too.
Tell me, babe, why are we playing games? It's you and me. Everybody else they noticing. Baby, focus in on me. Make a move, it's on you. Cause I've been up all night, picking this wine, telling you things, telling you right. On me, you know you won't lose. Now honey, what's the movement? Isn't me all you do? Stay with me. Stay with me. Come to me. 'Cause I've been up all night, picking this wine, telling you things, doing you right. Bet it on me, you know you won't lose. I'm laying it out, sorry for you. Keeping me waiting, no hesitating. I ain't like them, none of them fake. Best friends and lovers, nothing to prove. I'm laying it out, sorry for you. Stay with me.
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 in Park, you be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm tryna show you off, I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I gotta jump out of a window if you call me. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. You got a hold on me, where you controlling me. Think I might overdose, so hypnotic. Where you got my heart trap. Take my wallet, fly you all across the map. Oh yeah. Rock solid, yeah, you know I'm gon' support ya. Anything you want, girl, I'ma spoil ya. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in. We show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I gotta jump out of a window if you call me. Jump out of a window. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you.
Alive, and very alive, and very. Used to be somebody, I forgot who I was. I was a pilot in disguise, but then I dropped to the mud. Had somebody by my side, but she got tired of me. Cheated on her, I found out that you can't copy the love. The depression took a little toll. I started drowning in drugs. It didn't do too much healing, I wasn't wildin' enough. Took my focus off the work and purchased 3 whole pies. Tried to sell it, but instead I kept it all to myself. All my friends told me I'm bugging, guess they left me to be. Cause I responded, I'm the reason you got breakfast to eat. Apologizing not an option, cause my messages seem like, since when did all my homies stop checking on me? As I sniff all of this powder with my energy up, I notice how my fridge is empty, this ain't filling me up. The TV's watching me dig up my own grave in the floor. My OD right now off a baby and for, yeah. Alive, 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 and buried. I'm buried. Alive, 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 and buried. I'm buried. Yep.
So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This ponytail is lit, and I'm pretty sure it was like $10. I got it from my local beauty supply store. I'll link it below because I'm sure I can find it on some websites. But yeah, this ponytail, and it's long too, like girl. And this Morphie foundation, what I do with it? No, this Morphie foundation, it's so lightweight. And it's the perfect color. It is the color Rich 27. I had to go to like 3 Ultas just to find this color because it was sold out at the first 2 Ultas I went to. But this color is beautiful. The finish is beautiful. Like, I like light coverage foundation. I don't like super heavy foundation. So this one is way better to me than the new Huda foundation. I got that one too, but that one is so full coverage, so thick. If you really need a lot of coverage, I would go for that one. But if you're going for like a light, like flawless look, like, you know, me girl, try this Makeup Shayla Morphie foundation. Also, I got the free brush that came with it, and this brush is good too. I mean, it's the Morphe E63. I never seen like a foundation brush like this, like a slanted brush. I liked it. I mean, it worked good with this foundation, so I got no complaints. So you enjoyed this 2-in-1 video, the hair and the makeup. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel below, and I'll see you in the next one.